What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000134, and this product or content is not available for your account, country or region. So it's a country or region problem. So simply I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings here, simply an account management and account information. Just wait. Here we are at that address. You must check your address and check your product or application or a content address, which region your content or a product is available. You must have the same region here. If it's not available, you must make a new PSN account for the content to download it, and you can just activate as a primary PS4, and then you just enjoy your content in the other PSN account. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.